Welcome to our 4-day road trip to Colorado. From stunning natural wonders to thrilling adventures, this journey has something for everyone. So, our Colorado journey began with the beautiful city of Colorado Springs. First stop, we had Balance Rocks. This incredible red sandstone boulder, balancing precariously, offered a stunning photo opportunity and a great way to start our day. Now here, that's a wide view of the Garden of the Gods. So we headed to the Garden of the Gods. This iconic park is filled with towering rock formations, scenic trails, and breathtaking views. It was a perfect spot for a leisurely hike and to soak in the natural beauty. We saw some hikers, some rock climbers along the way at the Garden of the Gods. I believe you need some permits, so make sure to check that on the website first. This small safety update: you have to be aware of snakes, as there are some rattlesnakes in the area. If you're liking this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. After exploring the Garden of the Gods, we visited the historic Manitou cliff dwelling. These ancient ruins offered a fascinating glimpse into the past and a chance to walk through history. Our next destination was the Pikes Peak, and we stopped at few points along the way to the Pikes Peak. On your way to Pikes Peak, make sure to book the parking spots well in advance at the top, otherwise you will not be able to travel all the way to the top of the Pikes Peak. This Pikes Peak is known as the America's Mountain. At over 14,000 feet, the summit provided panoramic views that left us in awe. We ended our day at the enchanting Seven Falls. Here we marveled at the cascading waterfalls nestled in the stunning canyon. It was a perfect way to wrap up our first day at the Colorado Springs. For going to Seven Falls, there is a parking spot from where the bus shuttles run, so make sure to check that out on the website as well. Welcome to day 2 at the Canyon City, where our first stop was the majestic Royal Gorge Bridge. This suspension bridge offered thrilling views of the gorge below. For the brave, the gondola ride across the gorge provided an exhilarating experience. For those seeking real rush, there was a zip lining across the bridge. Remember, safety first. Following the zip lining adventure, we cooled off with some river rafting. As we headed towards Durango, we took scenic drives and stopped along some hot springs along the way. Day 3 at Durango. We embarked on the memorable train ride, a full 9-hour journey from Durango to Silverton, or a shorter 5-hour ride from Durango to the Cascade Canyon. Both routes offered spectacular views of the San Juan Mountains and an unforgettable experience. After our train ride, we made our way back to Denver, enjoying the scenic drive and reflecting on the day's experience. Our final day was spent exploring Denver. We started with the iconic Red Rocks Amphitheater. This natural rock formation is not only a world-class music venue, but also a great place for an early morning hike. We checked for events and open timings to make the most of our visit. If time permits, you should really take a short trip to Boulder, known for its vibrant atmosphere and beautiful landscapes. And finally, you can visit the Denver Zoo, home for a diverse range of animals and a perfect spot for families and wildlife enthusiasts. And that wraps up our 4-day road trip in Colorado. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this itinerary inspires your own Colorado adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.